Hey everyone, this is Will from BeYourIT.com, and this is going to be the first of a couple videos involving the command line. We had some users on the forums request some command line videos, and in combination with our batch file videos, I'm going to go into a little bit more about what the command line can do. First step, however, is going to be to make the command line a little more usable, because when you open it up, I mean, it's there. I mean, you can put in a couple commands, but, you end up mousing all over, and some people don't like the way it looks. Maybe their blacks aren't quite as black as it could be, or their whites aren't quite as bright, and the white on black sometimes can get a little eye strenuous. So I'm going to show you how to adjust the command line window to make it a little easier to use. First of all, we're going to go and set the buffer size in the options after you hit right click on the toolbar for it and hit properties, and you're gonna check quick edit mode, and you're gonna up the buffer size to 500. You're also gonna go and go to font, and some people like raster fonts, some people are fine with the size. I like really anything. I mean, this Lucidity console looks pretty good to me. Up the size a little bit. Go into there's layout, and you can change the screen buffer height to 999 and the window size height to 50, and that gives us a bit bigger of a box to work with. And we can head over to colors, and this is really kind of a personal thing, but I know we can go with a green background and yellow text for this. They're pretty contrasting. You can go with just about whatever you want, but that helps to make it a little easier to see. We're going to go into some of the basic commands now. The command line itself functions a lot like the Explorer window here. So let's cd space dot takes you up one level. So okay, here I am at C. If you hit dir, which is short for directory, you will see that everything that is in here is in here. So the Explorer is a graphical representation of the directory command. Next of all, you can get to you can hit up, and you get the commands you've entered already, and you hit down to browse back through them. Now with that, the option that we checked earlier, the discard all duplicates, what that does is it keeps it from, like, if you'd hit CD like four times and dir a couple times, it'd show you each individual one, which discarding the old duplicates just lets you see individually. And if you hit F7, it actually pulls up a graphical representation of the commands you've entered. And you can, with the quick edit functions, you can actually take these icons and drag them in there, and it'll show that's a link, but the link itself won't run. But if you actually take a program file, which would be where the link itself goes, in this case, let's go and look for Internet Explorer, and you try that and it doesn't. Oh, that one did work. Sometimes they require you to use start. So you just say start iexplore.exe, and that will also work. Now, if you noticed on the video for batch files, essentially batch files are just you putting in extra command lines that it's stored. They're very comparable to like stored procedures for SQL Server, and in inverse of that, this is also they're very similar to stored procedures for SQL Server. They're commands that you store that get run as if you were entering them on the command line in real time. If you're sick of the old title bar up here, you can title. You can change the title on it. You can run it. It tries to run full screen, but this has been the intro for the command line, and I'm going to go a little more into advanced features and what you can really do with it in the next video. So thanks for watching.